the impending commissioning of the indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant is indeed historic, for it gives us the ability as a country to join a few select nations who are able to design and construct aircraft carriers. It can discharge a variety of roles that it is mandated, be it diplomatic, be it benign. When I mean benign, I mean humanitarian assistance, disaster relief operations, constabulary, as also the military role. The ship can, like any other warship, be utilized to project power, to ensure safety and security at high seas, and also provide credible deterrence with extreme visibility. The amount of steel which has been used in the ship is enough to perhaps make 4 Eiffel Towers. To cater for about 1,500 people, there are about 10,000 chapatis or rotis which are made in the ship's kitchen, which we call the ship's galley. The ship's cabling runs almost about 2,400 kilometers, which is roughly the distance between Kochi to Delhi. The future plans after the commissioning of the ship would involve flight trials and integration of the most important element of the carrier, and that is the combat aircraft. So the ship will be proceeding for trials for integrating the combat element along with the deck element, and proceed for trials and thereafter become a whole combat worthy ship.